Hi, my name is Andrew Shafat. In this video, I'm going to unbox and do a quick review on this mechanical keyboard, which is the Keychron K3 version 2. Now, since this is my first taste of using a mechanical keyboard, I'm not going to go into details. I'm just going to describe my first impression after using this keyboard for a week. Now, is it worth it? Let's find out. Stay tuned, everyone. Let's unbox it. This is the box. Now in the box, the first thing that you will see is a quick start guide. It's quite convenient. Now the keyboard is wrapped in a thin plastic wrap. Besides the keyboard, you will get a USB-C cable, some extra keycaps, a keycap puller, and a complete manual. Now, the Keychron K3 is a 75% compact keyboard with function and arrow keys. Now, it's light enough to carry around with you. It works well with both macOS and Windows because it has an option to switch modes according to which operating system. Now, I'm going to show you right now where it is located. So this is the switch where you can switch modes. Either you are going to use it for your MacBook, let's say, or your Windows operating system desktop. Now, it's kind of similar to the Keychron K2 but with low profile switches. It's available with Keychron low profile and Keychron low profile optical switches, and you can choose from a variety of switch types. It has a full RGB backlighting, as you can see right now. Hopefully you can see it, but unfortunately it does not have a dedicated software to remap any keys. Now, Keychron suggests using a third-party software. Note that it is best to buy the keyboard from its official Keychron's website. Or in my case, since I live in Indonesia, I bought it from the official Keychron distributor. Now, the current price right now, if you're living in Indonesia, by December 29, 2021, the current price right now is 1,330,000 rupiah, or if it is converted into US dollars, it would be around $80 to $90. In terms of wireless utility, the Keychron K3 can connect with up to 3 devices at once via Bluetooth, or you can use it wired while charging. Now I'm going to show you the switch where you can choose whether you want to use the Bluetooth system or the cable. Now the battery, as advertised, lasts up to 34 hours with RGB lighting on. Let's talk about typing quality. Now, the Keychron low-profile brown switches on the unit that I'm currently using provides a nice tactile feedback and good typing quality. But your typing experience may change depending on which switches that you get. Now, the keys wobble a little bit. However, it isn't very noticeable during normal use. Now, furthermore, the right shift, as you can see, is smaller than the left shift. So you might accidentally hit the arrows keys instead. Now the layout feels a little bit cramped, but that's my subjective view. You may disagree with me and you may notice an increase in typos if you're not used to it. Also, the ABS keycaps feel slippery. Overall, you shouldn't feel tired typing on it for long periods of time. And they say it's an improvement over the Keychron K1. Now, let's listen to the typing sound test of this keyboard. Okay, the final verdict. Overall, the Keychron K3 version 2 is a great mechanical keyboard for office, gaming, or even programming usage. Now, the build quality is great. The typing experience after 1 week of use is excellent. It has decent ergonomics, but at some point, your wrist might get tired, and I would suggest to use a wrist rest. Now, too bad the wrist rest is not included in the box. Since it is compact and light, you can carry it with you and just put it in your bag, but it would be safer that you use a keyboard pouch to avoid scratches. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and review. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. See you in my next video. Stay safe and healthy. Bye bye now.